ready yet?
Wait. Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today we are going to be doing some pretty nails, okay? Make you fool anybody, alright? These are perfect for the holidays and just in general, you know, if you want to step out real quick, you ain't got $80, $50 for no nail set, boom, here you go. So these are the Kiss Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion nails. They do have a, you know, FX effect to them. They do look 3D and they're just really cute. I fooled a lot of people, guys. They thought I got my nails done and these were only $5.99. So yeah, I'm basically just, you know, opening the package and it does come with glue, so that's a good thing. And it does come with a filer and a little cuticle, something like the stick for the cuticles. And here I'm just, you know, measuring my nail to make sure that it's gonna fit right. You want to do this prior to gluing your nails because you don't want to get in the gist of gluing the nails and then you gotta wait and find your nail shape and all that other stuff. Because it does come in a lot of shapes and sizes, so I would suggest that you know, measure your nail first. It does come with 28 nails. And I noticed that some are metallic with chrome, some are matte, and then some have the metallic with strips on it. So, and I noticed that each nail, each design came for different nails. So I noticed that all the thumbs were matte. So I just think that this is really pretty, guys. This is amazing. Like, I'm like, when I walked into the beauty supply store, I was like, wait, hold on. These are gorgeous, you know? Like, you can fool anybody. Like I said, people thought I got my nails done and I'm like, no, it's the press on. Yes, guys, I really enjoyed doing these and I used them about twice. They were pretty good. And yeah, like when you're doing press-ons, everybody knows like it depends how long it's gonna last. These lasted for about 3 days because I do, you know, I wash my hands, I wash my ass, I was washing my hair, like I was doing a lot. But yeah, I'm just, you know, gonna put some glue on my nail, press it on. This is sped up, but you know, press it on for about a minute, you know, just press it on, make sure it doesn't come up, make sure it's in there. And I'm just gonna repeat that for all the other 4 nails. And I just love how it looks. Like, I was so proud of myself because blue is so pretty, like it's so complimenting on my skin. So, and these just look like some pretty holiday nails. Like, the holidays is over, like, but you know, pretty. Like, I'm not sure if your beauty supply store will have this, but my beauty supply store, they just stocked up on a whole bunch of nails. And I know if I was to get these at Target or CVS or something, they would cost like probably $8.99. But at my store, it was only $5.99, girl. And I will be going back to get more because these is popping. Like, just look at these, mad cute, you know, point blank. And see, guys, I haven't got my nails done in so long because the last time I got my nails done was like in September, October. Yeah, September at Tiana Taylor's nail salon. It's just it's hard getting an appointment there because they're always busy. So it's like I'm back at square one trying to find a reliable nail tech, you know. So wish me luck for the new year. I plan to find a like nail tech that I can actually count on and always go to whenever I feel like it. But yes, guys, look how pretty these are. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you like these nails. Happy holidays. Please subscribe and become a part of your glam squad. Laters.
Wait, yeah, and I ain't got the time. I've been thinking to watch them dirty wine, red bottom.
that like I left the crime. Bitch, I roll even on half time. Wait, I'm getting all this cream. I think she wanna ice me. A bitch could be a slime, then do you grind me? Yeah, and if you don't know, I'm getting dough, nigga.